Welcome friends. In my previous video you learnt about how to create OU. Now in this video I am going to telling about how to add users in OU. Firstly click on start button. Click on drop down arrow. Then click on Active Directory, User and Computers. Then click on OU that you created. Then right click on OU. Then go to New and click on User. Then provide a name. Provide a logon name. Then click on next. Provide a password. And click on next, then finish. Password must be complex. As you can see, the user is created here. Now I am going to telling about how to create existing user in OU. Here is no users that I make. Now I am making a new user. Provide a password. And click on next, then finish. As you can see, in users folder there is a user that is test2, but in OU there is no test2 user. Now this user test2 is transferred to OU, that is TECHNTRAINER. Right click on test2 and click on move, then select TECHNTRAINER, that is OU, then OK. Now there is no user namely test2, but in TECHNTRAINER the user is successfully transferred. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and like my videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.